All kebu in a wash and kebu in a quick one. Let us show the wash within the sun. You can see how excited the people are. You can see how delighted people are witnessing the first of its kind, the Bata water fountain. Today is Tuesday, the 25th day of June 2024. People now gather, they celebrate here. Now for what God has been using just one person to achieve in our state, or God's own state, or other states. Ever do go now Bata Junction. This is the Bata water fountain, and here are the first text running. So I say, can we get witness? Not only can witness here this first water fountain, but also to experience the lightning. And as this lightning is coming up today, as this water is coming up, it is going higher. So shall Abia prosper. So shall our governor prosper. So shall everybody that believes in this state prosper. So shall all the investors coming down to our state prosper. So shall everybody that live prosper. And another report today, exactly Bata Junction, you can see that the water fountain is all ready to be commissioned, and very soon they're also working towards the very road expansion. The governor also promised to do more, and he's not relenting in giving Abia a new phase of life, and also giving Alibo as a can be able to do that's even if you know quick one even if I'm but it's also good that we do this so that posterity will be fair to us. I want to witness these changes. I want to experience. I know I'm going to do. I know the foundation of all this success and the record. So this is the first of this kind. Yeah. Apart from the Emelogu, this is another one, just like a replica of what Dr. Lesioma Oshi will achieve in Omaya. So on her, you may say that the way how we will pay her, but in them the value, in them the beauty of this very water fountain, you always cherish it, especially once you are coming down to from Omaya to Aba, or from Enugu, or from Owerri, or from any place of this in Abatobuda. You can be very, very delighted. You can be very, very happy that they will like Himatu, Hijamatu, they will like Homa, Nabata, na this very state. And the door Nabia, but I can't get it. And the attack development I guess it is. And the tour can be needed. Never none about this development. Get one prosper. Not much from much. Catch what they are because I need it. Now we are one I had the map. Now we are name at the mile. Now we are never that true. Now the governor is not joking when it comes to development, when it comes to education, when it comes to so you can see that people are very, very excited. Oh, you go out vacation now is not a personal fund, but it's also good that we appreciate as Oye main coma, Adani and other go so as we to do that's it. Now water fountain, Nona, Bata Junction, Ebudola Eruoro, and the door na Ruoro, can you go near experience? Can you go now the beauty and the Erugana Balabe, Otago Gresinacha, day in, day out. So keep on watching Kebu TV. We are here to do you better. We are here to do you better. We are here to serve humanity. I love you all, and God loves you more. And I'm from Kebu TV.